The Tesla mobile app is essential for vehicle owners, providing remote control capabilities like locking and unlocking your car, adjusting climate settings, or even summoning the vehicle from a distance. It also manages energy for Powerwall and solar systems, allowing you to monitor and control your home's power usage, solar generation, and battery storage remotely. The app enables software updates for your vehicle and provides access to advanced features like full self-driving visualization, showing how the car perceives its surroundings. Keeping your Tesla app updated ensures you have access to the latest features, important bug fixes, and full compatibility with Tesla's evolving ecosystem. As of December 2025, the Tesla app receives frequent updates that incorporate AI-driven assistance for smarter features and expansions within the electric vehicle ecosystem. This guide will show you how to keep your app updated and enjoy all these benefits. Before updating your Tesla app, always check your current version first. This ensures you know what you're starting from and helps avoid unnecessary downloads. On Android devices, open the Google Play Store and navigate to My Apps and Games to see your installed apps and their current versions. On iPhone, go to the App Store, tap your profile picture in the top right, then scroll down to view your installed apps and their versions. The latest stable Tesla app version as of December 2025 is 4.28.x. This version supports Android 9 and higher, as well as iOS 15 and newer. For full app functionality, make sure your Tesla vehicle software is version 2025.1 or later. This ensures compatibility with all the latest features. To update the Tesla app on Android, start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. Once the Play Store is open, search for Tesla in the search bar to find the app. If an update is available for the Tesla app, you'll see an Update button. Tap it to start the download and installation process. For seamless updates in the future, enable auto updates in the Play Store settings. This ensures you always have the latest version without manual checks. If you encounter any issues during the update process, try restarting the app or reinstalling it completely. Updating the Tesla app on iPhone is straightforward. Start by opening the App Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the App Store. Scroll down to find the available update section. Look for the Tesla app in the Updates list. Tap Update to begin the download and installation. With iOS 18 Plus released in mid-2025, the app now uses enhanced biometric authentication for added security. If you encounter issues, try restarting the app or reinstalling it. If you face update issues, first check your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi connection is recommended for reliable downloads. On Android, clear the app's cache and data to free up space. Go to Settings, Apps, Tesla, Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data if needed. On iPhone, offload the app to free up space while keeping data. Go to Settings, App Store, Offload Unused Apps, and enable the toggle. If problems persist, uninstall the app completely and reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play. This often resolves persistent update issues. For critical issues, consult Tesla's official support channels at support.tesla.com or community forums like Reddit's r/Tesla for solutions specific to your device and app version. Recent Tesla app updates bring powerful new capabilities through AI integration, ecosystem expansion, and sustainability features. Grok AI, Tesla's advanced AI assistant, now offers predictive features such as suggesting optimal charging times based on current energy prices and usage patterns. The app now integrates with smart home hubs using the Matter protocol, allowing seamless connectivity between your Tesla vehicle and other smart devices in your home. A new sustainability focus includes carbon footprint tracking in the Energy tab, helping users monitor and reduce their environmental impact while supporting global electric vehicle adoption goals. Together, these enhancements improve the overall user experience and demonstrate Tesla's commitment to innovation and environmental responsibility. Looking ahead to 2026-2027, experts predict the Tesla app will evolve into a comprehensive Tesla OS hub, serving as the central command for all Tesla products and services. Augmented reality technology may enable virtual vehicle inspections, allowing owners to examine their cars remotely through the app using interactive digital models. Blockchain technology could introduce secure ownership verification, making vehicle transfers and documentation more transparent and tamper-proof. Open Application Programming Interfaces, or APIs, might allow third-party developers to create custom integrations, expanding the app's functionality with community-built features. However, as the app grows more interconnected, stricter data policies may be implemented to address privacy concerns and protect user information in this expanded ecosystem. Keep your Tesla app updated to enjoy the latest features and improvements. As Tesla releases new software versions throughout the year, the app gets enhanced with better controls, energy management tools, and integrations with your vehicle's latest capabilities. Monitor Tesla's official channels and community forums for announcements and tips. Visit Tesla's website and support pages to stay informed about new app releases, vehicle updates, and upcoming features like enhanced energy management or improved autonomous driving capabilities. Check community forums like Reddit's r/Tesla for user experiences and tips. Tesla owners often share their experiences with the latest app updates, troubleshooting advice, and insights into new features that might not be fully documented yet. Don't forget to enable auto updates to ensure you never miss an important release. By staying proactive and keeping up with Tesla's ecosystem, you'll maximize your Tesla ownership experience with access to the latest safety features, efficiency improvements, and innovative capabilities.